Welcome to the four-wheel jive, where Land Cruisers come alive. From die-cats to RCs, FJ cruisers and big rigs, off-road adventures and drone flights, we bring the Toyota Land Cruiser to life. Four-wheel jive, we're the Land Cruiser enthusiasts, striving to share our passion and inspire. With every video we set the fire.
Hello friends, thanks for watching. I bought this Toyota Land Cruiser Majorette FJ40 secondhand, and I never really liked the plastic tires that were on it. I also happen to have an ex-Car Toys Jeep that I never really cared for, but I liked the tires. So I decided I'll just take the tires off that and put them on the FJ40 from Majorette. The Jeep was easy to take apart. It had one little screw on the bottom. I unscrewed that, and then I went to the Land Cruiser, and of course it had a rivet, so I drilled out the rivet. I didn't do that on camera. You don't need to see that. With the rivet drilled out, it was easy to remove the body, which consists of the red interior, the yellow plastic glass, and the lift gate, tailgate. The inset above shows you that the suspension is a piece of plastic with two rivets in it that hold down the axles on the front and the rear. Like I said, the Jeep comes apart easily. Once you remove the seats, there's a screw on the front and the rear that once you undo those, the suspension comes off. And once you have the suspension standing alone, you see the springs that made it. It's a pretty nice setup. I would have really liked to have used the whole suspension on the FJ40, but the way that the base is built on that, it's such a heavy metal, there's no way I was going to be able to make that work. The Jeep is now minus its wheels. Someday I'll find something to replace it, but for now, it's not going anywhere. Unlike the FJ40 that is going to be going everywhere. It now has a new set of shoes. The nasty, rusty plastic tires go to the junk heap. The Land Cruiser put back together, sitting on its brand new rubber Bridgestone tires with the 8-slot wheels, replacing the ugly, dirty Majorette tires. And here it is in its natural environment out in the wild, looking pretty good with those fancy new tires. What do you think? Size comparison, the 1/53rd scale Majorette compared to the Hot Wheels FJ43 in 1/64 scale. Thank you for watching.
Four-wheel jive, we're the Land Cruiser enthusiasts, striving to share our passion and inspire. With every video we set the fire. Through trails and mud we explore, unveiling the cruiser's boundless lore. From the mighty LX to the rugged 70, we celebrate the Land Cruisers.